Welcome to Ride JBI. Today we are almost finished building our JBI Spec WP, the KYB SSS conversion kit. The top fork we have fully assembled, ready to go. Below that, we have the other fork semi-assembled, so we can show you some of the modifications that we did before we finished this assembly. First off, I'm sure you can see that blue caps have been exchanged for some red ones. This will pair perfectly with our WP dropping kits that we utilize as well, with the brown tubes and red caps. The plastic free piston was replaced with a billet one that also happened to have a red anodized finish. The compression piston valve was revalved to our JBI suspension motocross spec.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Global DJ Broadcast. I am Marcus Schultz, wishing you a happy holidays.
The JBI Pro Perch was added to our build. What you can't see is the rebound piston, which was revalved as well. This is a genuine KYB fork spring that was REM super finished to a mirror polished finish. This will keep the fork oil very clean as the spring rub against the inside of the fork tube. We are going to finish building these up and take them out for a test ride very soon. Thank you guys for following along. Soon we're going to get to the fun part, which is doing some back-to-back testing against all the other fork types and options we have for the KYB, Husqvarna, and Gas brand. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com.